In this video, we will go over how to edit your spreadsheet template in Google Sheets. Once you are on the Import Spreadsheet window, click on the Google Sheets button. The template will open in a new tab. Click Use Template in the upper right-hand corner. The template will open in Google Sheets and will automatically save to your Google Drive. The gray area on the left is where you will input student information. Some important notes. The family name and given name sections are required, but the other sections are optional. You can learn more about username and password generation in the yellow area on the right. The yellow area also consists of important and helpful information to keep in mind while inputting student data. The fourth video in this playlist will go over the yellow section in further detail. At this point, you can begin inputting student information either by typing in the information or copying and pasting from a different spreadsheet. If you would like to upload multiple separate classes all at the same time, you can do so by creating additional sheets within the same spreadsheet. You can think of each sheet as a different class. To create a new sheet with the correct formatting, right-click on the current sheet title, then click Duplicate. You will now have a new class sheet where you can input the information for a second class's students. Create as many class sheets as you would like. Once you have finished inputting all student information, make sure to save the document as a .xlsx or Excel file. To do this, click File, scroll down to Download, then click xlsx. Your Excel file will download to your computer. Now, navigate to the fifth video in this playlist for a walkthrough of how to import your spreadsheet to Dashboard, or click on the video displayed on your screen to be taken directly to it.